hot day here in Georgia, but we're up in the mountains just north of Atlanta doing some yard work, and I am super surprised about this new tool I have in the arsenal. This is the Ego chainsaw, the 16-inch specifically. I got this just a few days ago and wanted to try it out today. For this one, we've got the larger battery in it. I started out with a full charge, and after cutting down 2 trees, still have, what is that, 40% left on the chainsaw. There were 5 LEDs around there. We've got 2 of them left. It takes regular bar oil. You got to fill it up yourself. It didn't come with any bar oil in the package, but I brought that with me up here to our mountain retreat. And the first tree I took down, I started off small just to see how it was going to work. And then I took down about a 50-foot dead pine tree that was getting close to the house here, so I felled that one into the woods behind, and then came out here to cut down this tree. It's probably 9 or 10 inches. It was getting close to the corner of the house, so did the typical wedge cut with the hinge in the middle, and it fell right down the driveway where I wanted it. And then after pruning off all the green, I started cutting about 16 inches, maybe 20-inch logs. Got the entire thing done, and like I said, still had 40% left on this chainsaw. It's got a lock on the front. Switch the lock off. Safety button here, and then the trigger underneath. It's an amazing tool. I'm really pleased with this thing. I don't know that I could cut down another tree with just that 40% left, but I did bring the charger and a spare battery in case I needed it. I didn't want to get stuck in the middle of cutting down a tree and have the battery go dead. So now that I know how long it lasts, I'm feeling pretty good about it. Here's the first tree I took down today with the saw. It was thunderous, cracking down through the other trees there. This is the next group I'd like to try to get down. If I could drop that first one right along the edge of the road here and roll it into the brush, that would be preferred. And then farther down, that guy that's leaning, I want to try to take him down too. There is a power line right there behind it. I'm a little concerned about that one, but we'll see.